Okay, we're here at 3958 Murietta Avenue here in Sherman Oaks. We're starting to run our camera from a 4-inch cleanout located here where the pipe exits the house at the back. What happens is that sewer line goes through an easement through the property at the back and is going to go down to the street below. There's an easement in the corner if you're facing the house on the right-hand side by the big pole over there. It goes on the right-hand side of the house according to the city maps. Now, we're in 123 feet where we have a blockage in the line. It's probably roots in the line. We cannot get our camera through here. Go forward a little bit to show them that you see it's got a bunch of paper there. And I don't know what's really happening over here. Okay, let's pull the camera back now. But we cannot get into anybody's property to go locate that anyway. So it's hard to really say what's happening over there. Most likely there's tree roots in the line. You see there? You see how the water's standing over there, so it's definitely blocked over there. We're going to need to run a hydrojetter. Hopefully that might be able to clear it. There's no guarantee over here. Okay, let's bring the camera back. So we have a clay pipe here, and it looks like a pretty big pipe. It's very possible that this might be a 6-inch clay pipe. It's hard to say. Nevertheless, it does have a little bit of roots in the line. You can see pretty much all the way along. There's another connection over there. I'm not sure if it connects another property, but definitely going through the house at the back through an easement. And the line's definitely going to need to be hydrojetted. Hopefully we can clear the line and run the camera. But it's going to have to do that in order to hopefully continue this inspection over here. Okay. Keep going. The line is pretty clear, except for these roots, but at the end of the line, we obviously got a blockage in the line. Okay, now what happens here, it comes back to a cured-in-place pipe lining, which as of today looks in good condition. However, I want to really make sure to you that you never run a cable with a blade through this lining because you can damage it. You have to do it with a hydrojetter very carefully, but as long as the roots are out there in the clay pipe, that's the best situation. The reason I say is you never want to run a cable with a blade through this lining. You'll tear it apart. But it looks good as of today. Okay, here it comes out of this clean out over here. We're going to pause the recording. We're going to run a camera through another clean out on the side of the house over there. Now, while they're getting ready to set up there on the side of the house, there's a clean out. We're here to check the main line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. We can have a look underneath the house. You can see there's some very old cast iron pipe. I highly recommend if you're going to remodel the house is to redo the plumbing over here and tie it into this clean out where we originally ran the camera from. I'm going to pause the recording while they're set up. Okay, we're running the camera from the side there. This side of the house comes and ties into this clean up. Let's pull it back. Pull it back. You can see our hose in the pipe right there. That's where the clean out is. So these two tie together and go. And what we have here is coming back. There is a cured-in-place pipe lining that appears to be in good condition at this time. So what we'll do is we'll mark it for you where it exits the house. But I would highly recommend that, if you're doing a remodel, just to replace the plumbing under the house to the outside. Okay, listen, go forward. Go forward. Forward. Forward, forward, forward. Go, go. Go, go. Alright, stop. Let me see where we are. Let's continue pulling the camera back. There's the lining over here from that way. So they obviously lined the pipe from the outside of the house. The best thing to do is to obviously replumb the house and bring it to the outside. We're going to need to hydrojet this line to continue the inspection. Hopefully we can get all the way to the city sewer. Okay, here it comes out of the clean out over here. We'll go ahead, stop the recording over here.